Greetings, people. Greetings once again. Yes. We finally catch up with Uno. Alright, you see today now. Today we are driving our whistle again. And we are touching our petty piece of topic. And touch this piece of topic, you know. You understand me? Touch this piece of topic. Now, I turn this off. So you can hear me clear. Mic check. Yes. Now what I want to know is it worth it for Vybz Kartel answer Deva Bratt? Or should he go in a lyrical confrontation with him? Or should he just make up back with him just like how he make up back with most of the Gaza Empire people them? You see me? Portmore Empire. What do you think? Before I give me the answer, let me give my little piece on it. Yes. Because me have some knowledgeable people who watch this video. And me have some very, very close people who watch it. You have some of them emotional about it, you know, because you don't cuss me out bad too, you know. Why? You don't can't cuss me, sir. Alright, you want? Because me like when you don't cuss, at least we know now, say. So Deva Bratt now. Deva Bratt is one of the original members of the Portmore Empire. I have to give you a history behind it. So at least you don't know Wagwan. So who know Deva Bratt already? Who can fast forward? And who know him and want to hear more? Stay tuned. Yeah man, so Deva Bratt is one of the original members of the Portmore Empire. Zin started off with a couple of people and then started off with a couple of people. I'm bad driving and I take you, so I have to watch what I do. He started off with a couple of people. And him was one of the couple of people them. In night. Right? He's a very lyrical guy. Very lyrical guy. And as somebody may have a lot of admiration for in terms of him lyrics. Right? With Vybz Kartel. When you hear them man, they are freestyle and a flow, you say, wow. Yeah man. Yes. Same way. Flow hard. Right? But the falling out come with him, between him and Kartel. I can't do it. Me hear, because you know, me hear him story. Him have one side, and then Kartel have another side, and then you know, I've only a side going from all of the other members of the empire. So me I tell you the side where me know about. Yes, the one side, till the landslide. Yes, so where we understand where the falling out take place now is when him get himself entangled with the law. I may put it that way. Him getting himself entangled with the law on 2 occasions while in the Portmore Empire. I don't can go find out why. Are some sexual related issues. You understand? And apparently he got away from it. So don't know if it's about that. But Kartel say, boy, I'm not have none of that, you know. You know, no night. So you hear me? Take care of yourself. Wish you goodbye and go on your ways. And then after that, him take away Deva Bratt gone overseas. So him live a states, basically from what me understand. Right? But from ever since then, him and Kartel never really see eye to eye night because I pay war go on, you know. Man I say betray him and all sort of things. Lyrics are true after Kartel, and Kartel now answer all part of sitting and people are say Kartel afraid. Some say because him now no time for him and that one. Now fast out to now, Kartel go to prison and return. After I return now, they had an interview. And this is how I know say the last part of the little issue you come out because of this interview here. The last interview was done and they fixed. Them are asked about the different type of people them. Where if Vybz Kartel written lad. I remember asked who want to this man and who want to this man. So amongst the many people where they asked about, Deva Bratt was one of them. So they asked Kartel what want to yarn him. Or no, you know, what go on with that. He must say, boy, you know, Yeah, him then I move right, and you know him then say the best of things about him, put it that way. And then Deva Bratt take offense, you know, which maybe any man would want to take offense, because he must say, boy, everybody where Kartel and them fall out, Kartel make amends, right? But he not make amends with him. So a bias thing a go on, you know, and he not show him no homage. So comes the song now, him did this song called Homage. Lace off some lyrics tonight, you know, some serious punchline. And Deva Bratt is a man. If Deva Bratt is a man, if a lot of people don't know, he's a very lyrical piece of guy, you know. And lightweight. He's a very lyrical guy. When it comes to the war part, Deva Bratt the man on the front line. He mash up now. He no play when it comes to musical ammunition. See? So and that's how the Homage song came about. And I chose some serious shade after Kartel. And you can listen to that song there for hear the content side. You know, he might blast some things after Kartel. So by listening to the song now, I say, boy, that's why I say, should Kartel take him on? That is the question. Now, by saying all of that now, my answer is I don't think it's a good idea for Kartel take on Deva Bratt at this stage of his career. I don't, as a matter of fact, at this stage of Kartel's career, I don't think he should ever take on anybody, because he has done it all basically. The biggest war with Kartel going on was with Movado, and he has done several. He war with Sasko, who is a family assassin, a peace fight with Spraga. Him do a little with Shabba. Him and Idonia go at it a little bit. Him go after Busy. But a man they get trouble, sir. Yeah, so him know the war thing. Him go after it with Ninja too. And then at the end of the day, this thing I go down, so man. Stay up now, man. We up and stay up, man. Sure. Damn it. Yeah, man. So at the end of the day, he's a man who war all heap of people. Some of the things say is a case where him should have look for war nobody right now. Where Kartel should have do, and as him say, he don't need my opinion, he need yours. Yeah, you know, just him done set everything already. So just work with him legacy and build some youth. Just like how him say, I try to build some more, put more empire guys and so forth. Deal with that. Just work on the legacy where him have. Deva Bratt, I always spoiling you know. Sorry, my brother. Sorry. Him a building career. He can building career for that song still. You know, he can do a thing with it because I say him lyrical. But me sort of have him as a gross underachiever in the business. Because to how lyrical that man is, him should have really do greater work. Even if Kartel kick him out of the Portmore Empire, him still could have do some work. You understand what I say? Him shouldn't like get kicked out of the Empire and say, boy, I hear me, I hit this and then I cuss Kartel. Him could have do more work. That because what? Bounty then kick out Kartel out of Alliance. And see Kartel come to be one of Jamaica's biggest dancehall artists. I don't get kicked out of Alliance too, you know. I don't still go do him thing in wheel and come again. And I know one man get kicked out of a group and then when he get kicked out, he not come to greatness. So I said Deva Bratt could have done the same too. Because him lyrical. But you know, focus your energy on the things are going. What should I do? I make you a little bit stronger. One of the biggest thing when me tell somebody, right? And I mean it not connect, but me I go say it and me say if it connect too. One of the biggest thing Popcorn could have do for Valiant was the rough up when he came on the stage. Right? Because that rough up tough name and make you know say no play thing around you. So inadvertently, Popcorn help out Valiant to be a tougher person. So the fire where Valiant have for Popcorn, I say boy rare man not get strength. If Popcorn did a wife him up on the stage and when he had a foolish Popcorn not give him a piece of embarrassment, then maybe he wouldn't be the person who he is now. Because Popcorn I know make him know say I know mediocre thing run the business. You understand? Is either go hard or go your yard. And Valiant decides say him not go yard. Yes. And Kartel himself saying go up on stage one day and he get a piece of boo there. And the boo when he get, he said never again. He might go wheel and come again. So, me saying that for say, when Deva Bratt get kicked out of Empire, he could have take that as a motivation and say, watch what me I go show Kartel say. I know him run things just so rather than focus him energy. I cuss off him, man. But you know what? I want to know nothing about it here, sir. Yeah, man, this is enough for me alone. So, talk to me quick and fast here, people, and big up on yourselves. As usual, manners and respect. And as usual, I say, drive and whistle. Have that.